Hello there, Altenew fans. This is Lilith Eccles, and I'm here to share a new video for the Altenew YouTube channel. So stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to quickly whip up a card using the Circled Greeting Thanks die and some pattern paper. The pattern paper is from the Celebrate collection from the 6x6 paper pack. This collection was created in collaboration with Pink Fresh Studio. The Thanks die I had already cut out of some lovely pink paper. I had cut this out for the product video and I wasn't really going to do anything with it, but thought it was a shame to throw it away. So I'm just going to glue this onto my card base and then cut off all the excess paper. Now, at the moment, it's not looking very special, but I do want to add a couple of elements. So those harsh lines where the pink meets the pattern paper are just a bit too harsh for me. So I'm going to use the Tea Party Washi tape set. So first I'm trying the rose petal, but the colors don't fit too well. So I'm going to go with the Tea Party. And I'm just going to add a couple of strips of washi tape. So here I'm just testing the washi tapes. You could just add a strip like so, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear it. I really love the look of torn washi tape. So I'm going to create 2 strips of torn washi tape, which I'm going to put on that top border of the pink cardstock and also on the bottom. And that will finish off my card. It's really quick, it's really simple, and it's using up my scraps. If you want to see more projects using the Circled Greetings die, do visit the Altenew Mixed Media blog, and I will leave all the links to the blog as well as the supplies I used in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon with more inspiration from Altenew. Have a lovely day, happy scrapping, happy crafting, and bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!